once told me that credit can be good until it goes bad. Well, there's a fine line when that happens, and we as consumers have to be educated on making sound financial decisions. And getting offers for credit or insurance that say you've been pre-screened or pre-qualified in the mail can either hurt you or help you. Typically, these offers are sent to you because of information on your credit report. And here's how it works. A creditor or an insurance company decides what the requirements are to qualify for their products. They base that decision on information on people's credit reports, like their borrowing or payment history or their credit score. Then the company asks the credit bureaus to give them a list of people in their database whose credit reports show that they've met those requirements. The company also might give a credit bureau a list of potential customers and ask which customers meet those requirements. If you do not want to get pre-screened offers in the mail, you have two options, two choices. You can opt out for 5 years or opt out permanently by going to optoutprescreened.com. It's the official consumer reporting industry website to accept and process requests from consumers to opt out from credit or pre-screened offers. Keep in mind that if you do take advantage of any of these offers, it's simply an inquiry. It will not hurt your credit. Okay, it will not hurt your credit. Just be a smart consumer and just don't believe everything you see, read, or hear. And never provide confidential, private information over the phone to anyone as long as you know who you're speaking with. So if you are easily tempted to open this kind of mail and to start applying based on pre-screened offers, you may want to consider opting out. As always, I'm here to help you set your GPS to home, and stay tuned for more mortgage tips. Bye.